Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
I maybe didn't peak in high school.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, I mean, I didn't either, right? I was such an
Uh,
idiot. Yeah, that would be sick.
Well,
oh, I thought that was a stomach grumbling at first, but it's just the pigeons. My
yeah,
fault.
it's a sick world.
Oh, okay.
What the?
But there's a cure.
Nigga just over here fucking cracking birds' necks in front of the holes and shit. God damn. Mm. Mm.
What the?
He's the one playing with the.
Yeah, but if I come over here and I start dating this chick and I go over and fuck her dog, I'm the weirdo. Okay.